Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Aveo 2LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, manual, antenna type, window grid, anti-theft system, aspiration, normal, audio system, AM/FM satellite, center console, full with storage, clock, cup holders, front and rear and daytime running light. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.